Hello friend, now we are going to see how we can scroll window with the help of form. For that we have two methods. First is scrollTo method and another is scrollBy method. Okay, first of all we have vertical scroll, which is nothing but when you scroll from here, it is called vertical scroll or y-axis. In our geometry, this is y-axis, this is x-axis and y-axis. Okay, we can provide positive value and negative value, and similarly negative value and positive value. For example, if we want to scroll downward, then we provide positive value, and if we want to scroll upward with the help of button, then we provide negative value. For positive, we don't need to specify positive, but if we want to give negative value, then we have to provide minus sign. Okay, similarly we have horizontal scroll bar, which is x-axis, and here we can also provide positive value. If we want to move here, then we provide positive, and if we want to move from here to here, then we provide negative value. Okay, now we'll see how we can practically implement this. Okay, now this is the document which I used to show you the window scroll. Okay, for that first of all we have an HTML tag. Okay, here you can see, and after that we wrap our paragraph of 1000 word in our div. Okay, now here we provide a styling of paragraph with after that we specify the border. You can see green color border. After that we have 1000 word, and at the end we have a button out of this div. Okay, you can see we style the height and width, and after that we fix the position of the button with the help of position of CSS, and after that we provide left and bottom, and this is you can see. Okay, now after that we have to provide a on click function, on click event you can say, and here we provide scroll function, and after that I just copy this. Okay, and here I just use function and then paste, and after that we use this, and here we use window dot scroll by, and after that we provide, first of all let's see the vertical scroll. For that we have to provide 0 at the x-axis, and here we provide 50 pixels from the top. Okay, now let's save, and I just minimize our this document, and here you can see clearly when I click, you can see it move downward 50 pixel. When I click here, you can see at the end it come to the down. Okay, when I provide here minus, now let's save. Okay, when now I click, you can see it goes upward direction. Okay, now at the end it is stop, because we don't have to move further. Okay, now after that I just decrease a little bit because we have to see x-axis scroll bar. Okay, now here you can see this is the x-axis scroll bar. Okay, I just provide here, I just use 0. Okay, now here I provide 50 pixel. Now let's save. When I click, you can see it move 50 pixel, and it goes and goes on. Okay, now after that if we provide here minus, and now let's save. When I click, you can see it move backward. Okay, now after this we have scrollTo. Okay, just I provide here scrollTo. Now here I first provide 0, 0, and I just come here, and from here I just come here. When I click this button, you can clearly see it come to the beginning of the horizontal and vertical scroll bar. Okay, when I provide 50 here, for example 50, now let's save. When I come to the end of this, okay, you can see it left this margin 50 pixel, because if I provide 100, it leave the 100 pixel from the starting. When I come here, okay, now when I click, you can see it has a 100 pixel margin from the beginning. Similarly, we can provide from here also 100 pixel. Now let's save. First we have to come here at the end, and we come here from the here. When I click, you can see both having 100 pixel margin. If I provide here minus, let's see what will happen. Now let's save. When I come to the end and come to the end, you can see it come to the beginning and beginning, because it take only positive value. If take minus 100, it take as 0, it come to the initial point. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you like this video. If you did, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.